Hello, welcome to this tutorial on creating a survey for the Bluebell website. Let's first start by logging into the website. Now, let's first create a survey. Click on the New Survey button right here, and let's call this Survey 3, and press Create Survey button. You'll be next taken to the form builder link automatically, and let's start by inserting a radio button question, which is similar to the drop down list question. And let's say, what do you like about the ice cream? And to add the question, you'd press this button, Add New Question / text. And you would select single question. We're going to leave the selection mode as a radio button, and the display mode, of course, is whether you want it vertical, as in up and down, or horizontal, which is left to right. And if you have a lot of options, you can actually just put the number of columns you want your answers to appear. And these two options are for validation. Min selections required. If you set it to 1, it just means that it'll require them to actually put an answer in. So let's do that. Next, press the update button to actually add the question. Now let's add some answers by pressing the add / answer button, and press the add new answer. Display that area. We're going to leave the type as text. I know there's a lot of other options you can use, but the most basic one you're probably going to use most of the time is just a selection text option for this type of question. And let's put a few options in here real quick. And you simply add these answers by filling in the text here. And pressing the add button. And after you're done, you can go back to the form builder by pressing the form builder link, and you can see the question has been added. You also notice a star has been added next to the left, which means it's required since the user has to choose at least one option in order to complete the survey. Let's insert another question, but this time let's make this a free-form text box question. And we can do that by simply, let's first add a question here. And again, it'll be just a single question, so press the add new question text button again. And next you would add an answer. Well, actually press the update button again, and then press add edit answers. Press the add new answer button, and let's put this as a field large, and we're going to leave it as optional, so we'll leave the mandatory box unchecked and press the add button, and that will add a large text field underneath the question for people to write their own opinions in it. Next, let's add a let's see here. Let's add a checkbox question so that a user can add multiple answers to. So let's say and you press the add new question text again. And this time let's make this a checkbox multiple selection mode for answers. Press update, and then you would press the add edit answers button. And again, this will be a selection text type answer. And let's see, let's add a few options here. Pictures, videos, you can specify the order by clicking these arrows if you'd like to. And I think that's pretty much it for that. You can quickly preview what this survey looks like by pressing the ASP.NET Code button and then clicking on this link, which will take you to the survey. And it will show you the form right there and how it looks. Now after you fill in a few things here and press submit, it'll just show this generic "thanks for taking my survey." If you would like the survey to either redirect back to the Bluebell homepage site, or you'd like to change this message and add a link to the Bluebell page homepage, you would need to go back to the survey admin. I'm just going to press the back button a few times here. And make sure your survey that you're trying to edit is selected, and press the settings link. Now you'll see a second set of navigation options appear here, and you'd select privacy. Yeah, it's a weird place to put this. And this is where you'd edit the thanks message. Now if you want them to go straight back to a specific page, let's say we want them to go back to the home page, you just press this. You just fill in the URL here, which is bluebell.com, and it'll instantaneously go back to that page after they press the submit button. Or if you like them to read a different message, you can type one in here. And you simply highlight and press this create link button. Link, and then press apply. Now let's go back and take that survey real quick. Test pictures, and there you go. And I'll go back to the home page. Now let's go back to the survey admin again. Just press the back button a few times, and if you like to view the results of the current survey, make sure the survey here is selected and press the results report link. You can choose individual questions to view and it'll generate a little graph for you. Or you could just do a display all results. And as you noticed, this only shows questions where there's predefined options for a user to select. If you like to see the freeform fields, you press the text field entries button, and it'll show you the text entries that were entered for a user. And you can also see all the actual options chosen for the survey along with their freeform text, if you'd like. What else? There's also a oh yeah. You click on the stats link, it'll show you how many people have taken the survey on a specific day, and you can reset votes here also. Now, if you want a link to the survey, go back to the ASP.NET Code page and highlight or copy and paste this link here, which is like so. And then you would log into the admin. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to go straight to the CMS backend. And I believe the extra scoops page has the give us your 2 cents link. You would edit that page, right click on that link, and you should get this little pop-up context box, and click on the option insert/edit link, and you would change the link URL to the copied link you copied in the survey administrative page, and just press update and save and publish, and that'll be it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.